What if you could build a machine so small it could travel inside your body? That's exactly what nanotechnology is all about, building things atom by atom. Nanotechnology is the science of working with things at an incredibly small scale, so small that we measure it in nanometers. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. That's hard to imagine, but think of it this way. We are no longer dealing with objects you can see. We are working at the level of atoms and molecules. To understand just how small this is, let's compare sizes. A meter is something you're familiar with. 1 meter is roughly the height of a human child. Now divide that into 1,000 parts. That's a millimeter. To visualize this at roughly the size of a grain of sand. Go even smaller. We have micrometer, which is equivalent to the size of a bacteria. And then even smaller again, we have a nanometer, which is equivalent to the size of an atom. A single human hair is about 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers wide. So nanotechnology operates at a scale thousands of times smaller than a hair. Everything you see around you, your phone, your body, even the air, is made up of atoms. Atoms are the smallest building blocks of matter. Nanotechnology works by controlling how these atoms are arranged, allowing scientists to create entirely new materials with special properties. In nanotechnology, scientists can actually place atoms one by one in specific positions. They use advanced tools to carefully control these tiny particles and build structures from the ground up. It's basically like building with Lego, except your Lego pieces are atoms, and you definitely can't step on them. To work at such a tiny scale, scientists need extremely precise tools. One of these is the scanning tunneling microscope, which can actually detect individual atoms. Another tool, the atomic force microscope, can feel surfaces at the atomic level and even move atoms into position. When materials become extremely small, their properties can change dramatically. They might become stronger, lighter, or more reactive. Some materials even change color at the nanoscale. So even though the material is the same, its behavior can be completely different. Nanotechnology is already part of your daily life. It's used in medicine to deliver drugs more effectively, in electronics to make smaller and faster devices, in materials that clean themselves, and even in sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful radiation. In the future, scientists hope to create nanobots, tiny machines that can move inside the human body. These nanobots could deliver medicine directly to specific cells, repair damaged tissues, or even fight diseases from the inside. Despite its potential, nanotechnology comes with challenges. It is expensive, difficult to control, and scientists must carefully study its effects on health and the environment. Working at such a tiny scale requires extreme precision. In the future, nanotechnology could transform the way we live. From smarter materials to advanced medicine and powerful technologies, it has the potential to reshape entire industries and improve everyday life in ways we are only beginning to imagine. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more simple tech and engineering explanations. And don't forget to like and share the video. And next, we'll explore how your data is encrypted when you browse the internet. See you in the next video.